Hi, so today I'm going to be creating content on how to film like a pro, like pro on your phone. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be talking about how to film on your phone like a pro, like a pro because I'm filming on my phone and my god, my camera is still like okay enough to like shoot my videos. So if you're someone that wants to start your YouTube channel and you're afraid to start, and you're afraid you don't have enough equipment to start or the right things to use to start your channel, then this video is definitely for you. You sure want to keep on watching this video. So yeah, let's get right into the video. So in this video I'm going to be like giving you like, you know, tips on how to film your YouTube videos with a good quality, a crisp, clear quality that people would want to watch. So yeah, let's get right into the video. First tip I'm going to be sharing is you need to set your YouTube your camera settings on your phone to a 4K, like 4K setting before shooting your video. If you're using nowadays, if you're using an Android phone, okay, I mean a Samsung phone or an iPhone, there's always this 4K settings on your camera settings that you can use in shooting your videos. You can either shoot your videos in 4K or 1080, 3K, depending on what kind of settings that your phone has. But you can shoot if you're using an iPhone, you can shoot your videos in a 4K quality and get that crisp and clear video and high quality video that you so desire. The second tip I have is ensure you have enough space. Like shooting in a 4K video, like shooting in a 4K setting takes lots of data, like it takes lots of space. So you need to ensure, go to your memory and see that you have enough space before shooting your videos. You want to start shooting your videos and discover that you don't have enough space to, like, you know, shoot the video. You just discover that while shooting you just see your phone telling you that your space has been, you know, used up. So yeah, to avoid this kind of thing while shooting your videos, then you should first check your space, if it's enough to shoot what content you want to shoot without having any hindrance or issue while starting your videos or while starting to shoot your videos. The next tip is for you to export your videos in high quality. When you export your videos to your laptop or the editing app you want to use for your editing your videos, you need to export it in the highest quality, so that the quality that you shoot with, the quality you're editing with, then the final result is going to be of high quality. Your videos will still be high quality, if you get what I mean. You still have a good quality video when you upload on your YouTube. So the next tip I have now is, which is my third tip I guess, is you should like shoot with the back camera of your phone. Yeah, you should shoot with the back camera of your phone. When you shoot with the back camera of your phone, you avoid, you know, looking, like, instead of looking at yourself, you'll be able to look at the camera and, you know, talk to your audience, and, you know, there won't be any problem. You'll be able to sit confidently in front of the camera to, like, you know, talk to your audience and say what you have to say, and your audience will be listening to you perfectly. The next tip I have is for you to, like, always lock your focus while shooting a video on your phone. So when you lock your focus while shooting a video on your phone, then you'll be able to, like, you know, avoid your focus switching, like not being stable. The camera will be focused on you. There won't be any hindrance. Like, you shoot your videos and they'll be, you know, in focus, and they'll be clear, and there won't be any problem. The next tip I have is for you to like increase your brightness while shooting your videos. When you increase your brightness, it will like increase the chances of your video being clear, and being clear enough, and yeah, it will be the quality that you want. So the next tip I have is edit your videos. Like edit your videos in. The next tip I have is you need to like edit your photos in any app you're using. If it is Lightroom, if it is Snapseed, if it is Facetune, you edit your photos before you like upload your thumbnail on YouTube. You edit them on whatever app you use. I use Lightroom. I'll edit it on Lightroom, then I will Next tip is after editing my videos on Lightroom, I then upload to Canva to make my thumbnail. And after making my thumbnail, then my thumbnail will be ready and presentable and fit for YouTube. So yeah, when I'm done editing my video, editing my photo and uploading on Canva, I'm making my thumbnail on Canva app, then I get to upload it whenever I upload my videos on YouTube. So yeah, that's basically it on this video on how you can shoot quality videos, like quality crisp videos on your phone, even if you don't have a camera, a ring light, blah blah blah. You can use your phone and good quality, as in the best lighting ever, like natural light. So yeah, that will be all for today. If you're new here, my name is Magaji Nusrah. I create content to help you new YouTubers grow their channel. So yeah, let's stay together, let's connect together. So if you get to see this video, please do like, comment down below, subscribe, and let me know in the comment section what videos you would like me to post, or what content you would love to see on my channel. Yeah, so you can check my other videos for my content creation playlist for other videos, and click what, and also please don't forget to subscribe. Till next time, bye guys.